about to show you how easy this little corner table is to put together. I love this thing. I've had it for 3 years. I looked back on my orders and yeah, I bought it in 2023 and I have used the heck out of this. What you're gonna find inside is 3 shelves. Then you're gonna find the legs that put it together. The best part about this is there's 0 tools that you're gonna need. It literally just screws into itself. So let's put this together. Of course, I don't have the instructions from 3 years ago, but it's so easy. You're gonna find 2 that has 3 holes and then 1 that has the 4th hole. This 4th hole is going to be for the bottom. That 4th hole here is gonna be like a stabilizer. So that's how you know that this is the bottom shelf. So what you're going to do is just screw the 3 corners, the sharp corners, and then just make sure that these are, tightened as you go. And then that 4th one on the bottom is gonna be the stabilizer. And you're gonna find these caps. They also come with it. And on the bottom one, you're just gonna cap that last one here because this is gonna stay open, right? So just push that in and give it a good twist. That way that back has a good stabilizer as you build. So next, just put the next shelf on, pretty easy. And you're just gonna just hand screw these together. 2, 3. Then we have our second shelf. Tightening as we go, just making sure that that stays stable. And then your last one on top, just put it in. And the caps, there are going to be 3 extra little caps. You're just going to put those inside here. And they will twist down. And that will secure the top. But look how easy this is. I mean, this is just awesome. I have used this beside my bed. I've used it beside like my toiletry. So I can have a little toilet paper and look. And it's so lightweight. I love this so much. You can just use it for a multitude of things. And it looks really nice. I got this darker wood grain. There's a couple color choices, but you can just put that in any corner. You can decorate it however you like. Entry. I mean, it's just kind of endless what you can do with it. I hope this was helpful. If you've been looking at this corner table, I say get it. I highly recommend it. Easy assemble. It will live with you for a very long time. You're going to find it linked below.